Hello friends. Now let us take an example uh, where the integration limits are not directly given to you, but they have given you a region. So here we have taken this example, double integrate over region R of y dx dy. And what is region R? So region R is defined as it is bounded by these x equal to 0, that is y axis, then this a parabola and this straight line. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will make a rough picture of this region so that we get an idea that how this region is bounded by which points and which lines. So okay, fine. So I'll start plotting this directly. Okay, now I know that what is x equal to 0, it is a y axis, so this is x equal to 0, this line, y axis. Then y equal to x square, it's a parabola. So this is a parabola y equal to x square. Okay, and now we need to plot this line, x plus y equal to 2. So let us take immediately 2 points on this line, and you know the technique of taking 2 points. First you put x equal to 0, find out y's value, then put y equal to 0, find out x's value. So this will give you 2 points. So if I put y equal to 0, I will get x equal to 2. So 2 comma 0 is 1 point on this line. Then if you put x equal to 0, you will get y equal to 2. So 0 comma 2 is another point on this line. Okay, so we will plot this. So suppose I take 1 over here, 2 over here. So this is 0 comma 2, and 1 over here, 2 over here. So this is 2 comma 0. So the line will be like this. Okay, so this is the line. You can say x plus y equal to 2. Okay, so now see that our region is bounded by x equal to 0, then the parabola and the line. Okay, right? So x equal to 0, parabola and line. Fine. Okay, so we can draw this as okay, x equal to 0, y equal to x square and the line. Right? So this is the region. Okay, fine. Now what we will do is we will try to obtain the limits. So what is this crossing point is? This is what is required. Okay. So I call this point to be A, this point to be O, and this point to be B. Okay. So this point is they are the boundary points of our region. Okay. So how you get the coordinates of A? So for that purpose you need to solve these two equations. Okay, parabola and line. So I say to find A, we solve y equal to x square and x plus y equal to 2. Okay, so if I put x minus 2 as y over here, or 2 minus x, so 2 minus x is equal to x square. See, y is equal to 2 minus x, I am putting it here. So x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, and this is a quadratic, so if we simplify this, this is x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So it is x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. Okay, so we have so these are the two values. So let us substitute in one of the equation. So we will get then y is equal to, if I put x equal to minus 2, y is 4, and here y is equal to, if I put 1, y is 1. Okay, and now see that this point 1 comma 1 is in the first quadrant, so a has to be 1 comma 1. Okay, a is 1 comma 1, right? Because this point is not lying in the first quadrant, it lies in the second quadrant. So obviously, where if I just join this is another point, that is minus 2 comma 4. This is minus 2. Okay, fine, right? So now, yeah, okay. So this is the thing. Now see that so we have obtained the crossing points. Now all the points, all the boundary points we know of the region. Now what we will do, we will try to obtain the limits. So see that now you need to decide with respect to what, I mean with respect to x or with respect to y you are doing the first integration. Okay. So suppose I assume that here we are integrating with respect to y first. See, there are two integrations. Okay, so inner integration I will be doing with respect to y. So if you want to do it with respect to y, what you do is you keep your pen parallel to y-axis, okay, in between the region. Okay, you keep your pen parallel to y-axis in between the region, right? And see that where it is intersecting at the lower end and at the upper end. Okay, so now you can easily observe that it is intersecting at lower end to this parabola y equal to x square, and to the upper end to this line y equal to 2 minus x. So I say that here this is y equal to 2 minus x and this is y equal to x square. So if I keep my pen like this, it is intersecting at lower end to y equal to x square and upper end to 2 minus x. And to cover this area, I need to slide my pen from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay, in order to cover this entire region like this. Fine? Okay. So these two things will give me the limits. So I say then I is equal to integral. Okay. Now the inner integration runs from y equal to x minus x square to y equal to 2 minus x. 2 minus x. And the outer will run from 0 to 1. See. Okay. And then we'll take the integrand as y. Inner integration will be with respect to y. So I'm writing y first and then x. Are you getting this? Okay. So this is equal to further 0 to 1. Now y dy. So it will be what? Y square by 2 running from x square to 2 minus x dx. So it is 0 to 1. Let us take this half outside. So this is a 2 minus x bracket square minus x raised to 4 dx. Right? Okay, so we will open this. So this is half 0 to 1. This is 4 minus, so 4 plus x square minus 4x minus x raised to 4 dx. So it is half into bracket. This is 4x plus x cube by 3 minus 4x square by 2 minus x raised to 5 by 5 from 0 to 1. And then if you simplify this, this is 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 minus 1 by 5. Okay, so you can try this one. I think it is 16 by 15 something. Sort. Something 16 by 15. Okay, So just try to understand that how we have obtained these integration limits, okay, and then you can easily solve this problem. Fine. Okay, so we'll take some more examples in the next video.